We have been developing a wide range of communication skills, from writing compelling documents to delivering engaging presentations. Today, we'll tackle a cornerstone of workplace collaboration: meetings. Love them or hate them, meetings are a fact of life in most organizations, but they don't have to be unproductive time sucks. With the right approach, meetings can be powerful tools for problem solving, decision making, and team building. In this lecture, we'll explore two key roles in successful meeting: the facilitator and the participant. Whether you're leading the meeting or simply attending, understanding these roles can help you get the most out of your time together. The facilitator, guiding the ship. The facilitator is like the captain of the ship. They set the course, steer the conversation, and ensure everyone arrives safely at their destination. Here are some key responsibilities of a good facilitator. Preparation. Before the meeting, the facilitator creates a clear agenda, defines the goals, objectives, and ensures everyone has the necessary information to participate. Time management. During the meeting, the facilitator keeps things on track, ensuring the agenda is followed and the meeting ends on time. Participation. The facilitator encourages everyone to participate, draws out the quiet voices, and ensures all perspectives are heard. Conflict resolution. When disagreements arise, the facilitator helps to mediate the conflict and find a resolution that works for everyone. Decision making. The facilitator guides the group towards making an informed decision, ensuring everyone understands the rationale behind the choice made. Follow-up. After the meeting, the facilitator sends out a summary of the discussion, action items, and next steps. The participant. Active engagement. Being a good participant is just as important as being a good facilitator. Your active engagement can make a significant contribution to the success of the meeting. Here's what you can do. Prepare. Review the agenda beforehand and come prepared to contribute your ideas and insights. Listen actively. Pay attention to what others are saying, ask clarifying questions, and avoid interrupting. Respect different perspectives. Be open to hearing different viewpoints, even if you do not agree with them. Contribute constructively. Share your ideas, your solutions, and be willing to compromise when necessary. Stay focused. Avoid distractions and stay engaged in the discussion. Follow up. If you have action items, complete them on time and communicate your progress to the group. Making meetings more productive. Here are some additional tips for making meetings more productive. Set out a clear purpose. Every meeting should have a specific purpose and a desired outcome. Keep it short. People's attention spans are limited. Aim for shorter meetings that are focused on the most important topics. Start and end on time. Respect everyone's time by starting and ending the meeting as scheduled. Use visual aids. Visual aids can help to clarify complex information and keep people engaged. Follow up with action. Don't let the momentum of the meeting fade away. Follow up with action items and hold people accountable for their commitments. Your role in the meeting ecosystem. Whether you're facilitating or participating, your role in the meeting ecosystem is crucial. By bringing your best self to every meeting, you can contribute to a positive and a productive experience for everyone involved.